This video, I will show you the correct and the easiest way how to contact with Roblox support. So, let's do it. Open Roblox first. And after opening your Roblox, you're gonna go here and click on more. So, click on here, help and safety. If you want any help, click here. But for us, we want to contact support. Click violation and appeal, and it's going to take you here. And right now, as you can see, it's open on support. Click on it, and here add your username, your first name, email address, confirm it, and here you have to add your what device are you having the problem on, for example this, and you have to explain the issue that you have here. Just write a full description of your issue. So then click continue, and that's all, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.